Phone buzzing, I'ma let it hit the, yeah. Phone buzzing, I'ma let it hit the dial tone. I don't got a destination, I just ride along. Hot boxing in the whip, got my mind gone. Energy already high, I don't buy stones. All white, Air Nikes, these some new additions. Same night, same time, I've been on a mission. You gotta watch the double cross, even if they Christian. I've been stacking up my paper, I'm doing addition. Waves coming in, I'ma be an early swimmer. I got my own pace, personally never a sprinter. Get your own page, niggas copy like a printer. And them niggas talking plays, I need 100K by winter. Krispy Kreme dreams, I need them bitches out the oven. Remember back then we got them in the fourth a dozen. Remember back then I had asthma, I was a youngin'. Now I'm smoking gas, I'm coughing hard, need Robitussin. I don't got a lot of people that a nigga trustin'. Scapegoat did it, Kane, I ain't even buzzing. They telling me I shouldn't cut it, told my pasta buzz it. They telling me I can't, but I'ma make it on my cousin. I already see them switching up. Folks hating on results, but ain't working hard enough. All the songs did a lot of views, I got a bar to crush. IG and Snap got hacked, that got me started up. I've been praying Super Saiyan like I'm Goku. Back to Batman, why you gotta snap? Because I'm supposed to. Bitches getting mad because they ask why can't I post you? $1 million worth of game is something I can make a toast to. Truly back and everybody getting cooked like Kofu. Moved into a new crib, but the Benz is still my old school. Expired registration, I'm still racing, hope I don't total. I'm trying to touch some people, I'ma drop until I go global. Hey, yeah, man, my bad. Recently on the no drops, man, I ain't been dropping. I just moved into a new crib, bro. I've been fixing that up. Niggas been busy these past couple weeks, but September's mine.